Good morning, Miss Smallwood. How's jail? Really? Wow, you have been a very busy person. Let's go through your stuff. So at the outset, it looks like you're wanted out of state for one reason or the other. I have no idea. I know you're going to tell me it's all gumdrops, tulips, and little bunnies jumping, right? But how I get to know you is how you look on paper, right? What I see now, you have a credit card abuse that's open, a felony credit card abuse, a felony theft.
Oh, look at this list piling up. Felony theft, fraud, credit card abuse, aggravated robbery. It's like a criminal resume. Here's the kicker. With this many open cases, bond isn't just a privilege, it's a gamble. Question for you: if you were the judge, would you even consider granting?
And then what else you got open out of state?
She has 2 thefts of properties from Houston County, Alabama.
No kidding.
Yes.
What would you like? A unicorn?
Chet, I understand and I see it, but she's got a lot of skin in the game. She's got about, I don't even know how many thousands of dollars of bonds on felonies that she's made. And technically Alabama is just minor thefts. Realistically, we don't want Alabama to spend the money to come get her. She's gonna put up her own money. And you know what? She's gonna have not only this bond, she's gonna have all those other bonds up in the air. And so she's got a lot on the line, and we discussed that. Now, the failure to appear, Judge, I know just one more argument, was only because she was in jail here. She was keeping up with the Alabama case. Does not bode well with the number of cases and types of charges, of course not. But she technically, it was not really a failure to appear, it's just she couldn't go. She has been keeping up with it. Her family is very invested in helping her and got a lot of financial.
Now this is where emotion hits the courtroom. The defense highlights tragedy, the sister's funeral, family support, heartbreak. But here's the tough legal reality. Courts have to balance sympathy against public safety. So let's throw it. Do you should personal hardship sway a bond decision?
My little sister.
That sucks.
Her boyfriend shot her in the face with some abuse, so she's very,
It's
parents,
awful.
I'm not speaking for you, but is this something where you are committed? And she understands if she doesn't go within 14 days, it's not just this bond, it's everything.
She has an open aggravated robbery of over 65 or disabled. So do I venture a guess that that is allegedly probably taking care of an elderly and she takes a bunch of credit cards and uses them? Is that?
I would have to see if there was an offense. But Judge, she's also had similar history in other states within the last few years as well. So we wouldn't feel comfortable releasing her on bond. We have concerns that she would be a danger to the community if we did so.
I think so too, Ms. Smallwood. You've repeatedly shown to us that you don't care about our public. You don't care about our bond conditions. And that is evidenced by your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 open cases here where you have been filed on in multiple dates. And you also have multiple offenses in Alabama, and then you have similar offenses in another state. So essentially, you are playing hopscotch with the states with criminality. And you want me to give you a bond? Really? I would like hair, but I'm not going to get it. That's just a sad fact of life. Like here, it's also a sad fact of life. I'm not giving you a bond because if I let you out, what's going to happen? Historically speaking, every 2 months you pick up a case. So if I let you out in 2 months, you're going to pick up another case. I don't want that to happen. Sometimes we have to protect people from their own selves. You are your own worst enemy. And now I'm going to protect you from yourself. I'm not giving you a bond. I can't, Trey.
Understood, thank
You
you.
know what I mean? It'd be, and not only that, all the money she's posted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 $60,000 bond. Whose money is that? All these are credit card abuse cases. She's getting money from somewhere, some other place. No. Sorry, man. You're staying with me. Just let Alabama know that I'm not, so that they can come get her, you know. The good news is that you've made bond on these cases, so we now give Alabama 14 days to come get you. If they don't come get you, then they'll file a dismissal. Or has she waived? Or
She
no?
has waived. What date did she waive?
September 25th.
Yeah, so you have actually 13 days. No way, Miss Smallwood. It's time to pay the piper. Thank you. You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On September 19, 2024, an officer was dispatched to assist a firefighter call at 100 block of Delano Street in Harris County, Texas. The wheel witness, the firefighter Paul Dean, stated that the defendant was asleep behind the wheel at the stop sign of the 100 block of Delano Street. The wheel witness tried waking the defendant up and tried to pull him off from the scene, and then came to a stop when other firefighters blocked his path. The officer observed a mild odor of alcohol, glassy bloodshot eyes, and swaying. The defendant stated that he was coming from an Airbnb downtown and had nothing to drink all day. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, and the officers observed 6 out of 6 signs for the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, 6 out of 8 clues for walk and turn, and 3 out of 4 for one leg stand. The defendant declined to provide a sample of his breath, and a blood search warrant was executed.
RDWIs.
Yes, sir. So it looks like we had, it looks like there was a DWI/open container that's currently pending in Fort Bend, and another one from this.
Third open DWI unbelievable. At this point, the judge isn't just frustrated. He's protecting the public from a ticking time bomb. Think about it. How many chances should someone get before the system finally says enough? Drop your take. Should repeat offenders get stricter bonds, or do you think
Moly mother. Oh. And you got a PR bond in this case? Guess what I'm doing to that PR bond? Guess how high I'm making your bond now, Mr. Gonzalez? Yeah, probably $50,000, dude. You have 2 other open DWIs. You've not picked up another DWI? I'm revoking your bond, and I'm now setting it at $50,000. And I'm going to tell you now, if you get out of custody, you will have such strict conditions that if you violate this thing, I'm going to light you up like a freaking Christmas tree. You were not allowed to drive whatsoever. You will be signing an affidavit with me today, Mr. Gonzalez. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing, and every time you drive, I can put you in jail up to 6 months, and I can stack it. Do you understand? He really has 2 open other DWIs. God. Home confinement if he gets out. GPS monitor prior to release. Can you file interlock paperwork, please? You're not allowed to drive any vehicle whatsoever. And did he have an interlock on this car now? Because he's probably ordered to have one. So he has 2 open DWIs in 2 other counties now.
Who's this defendant, Judge?
Gonzalez. They gave him a PR bond in this case. Ixnay on the PR bond A. And I'm actually going to make it extremely high as well, because that's, Mr. Gonzalez, if you have a drug and alcohol problem, you better address it, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you. Baloney.
No, I've been looking for programs.
I believe you. Sometimes you start looking a little bit too late and you do catastrophic damage. I'm now going to intervene so that that doesn't happen. All right, I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive, and then I'm taking you into custody. He goes with you. Hell no. Don't send him down though, please. I need him to sign conditional.